So when you've got fresh plaster, it's important that you seal the plaster before you decorate, because what will happen is it's so porous that if you paint straight on fresh plaster, it will suck all the moisture out of the plaster and leave the paint sitting on the surface uncured, and it will eventually just peel. So to seal new plaster, all you want to do is get yourself a really cheap brand of matte white emulsion, and you want to mix it about 3 parts water to 1 part emulsion, and then give the walls a really generous coat, like you can see Dale doing here. Really generous coat. It doesn't matter if it's dripping down the walls, because the plaster will suck it in. The drip marks will completely disappear anyway. And give that 1 to 2 coats and you're good to go. You want to just show them the consistency of that paint there. Looks like full fat milk.